Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to share with you my little creations I made last few days here. And these, when I was tidying up my kitchen, I found 2 packs of paper straws. That's these. And first I thought I'm gonna rid it off and I'm gonna put it to the bin, but then I was like, maybe I can use them somehow. And this is what I have created. As I said, I took straws, paper straws, which I found in my kitchen. I cut them with my scissors on pieces, on small pieces, and then I took super glue, which I'm usually using on nails, and I did glue it on each end of these pieces of paper straw eyelets. I did use 6 millimeter eyelets for gluing them on each side of these straw pieces. And once I had a lot of these, cover it with those ends on, with those eyelets on the ends, I decided to take resin and continue with resin. I'm gonna continue with that rest after I will create this video. So once you do have prepared the base, and now it's coming the part when these beads will take beautiful coat. And that coating I'm gonna do with this UV resin. I do have this for quite some time and I do use it quite often, but I have to say I'm surprised how many projects I've been able to do just with this one bottle. Really, so many beads, so many cameos. It's really great stuff. So I'm gonna just cover the bead with this resin, and I'm gonna spread it evenly. Or try to spread it evenly. Somehow like this. Now I do have here UV lamp. And I'm gonna twist it a little bit just to spread that resin. And now with that UV lamp, I'm gonna cure that resin so it will stop moving. And just with these few simple steps, I am creating really cute, beautiful beads with large hole in them. So any yarn, any thread, any cord, I can run through to those beads. Very simple and very effective. And I do have my cute little bead done. Like this. And they are really amazing, I have to say. Look at these. Cute little beads. And this is a small one, which is made exactly same. I just had a really small last part of the straw, and I wanted to use it as well. And I do have now bunch of these cute little beads made from paper straw, and I can use them to decorate my journals. So here I added one of that beads to the tassel I'm creating for my journals, and it's beautiful decoration. And I can also create another tassels like or dangles like decorations. So I do have here all kind of beads, and I'm thinking that these could do really beautiful decoration mixed with these wooden beads. Again, and one gold one. Oh, come on. Okay, and something smaller to finish it. Oh, this is too. Will you fit? No. Okay. How about you? Okay, that can go through, and I got. Oops, good. Ah, maybe this one. You have little decoration here, and now I have been working on these cute little tassels a long time ago, actually. Where is it? Here is it. So now I can finally make a dangle charm for my journals. One here. And maybe this one. And I do have beautiful decoration here with these beads. So here are my tassels, and another really beautiful decoration it can make to your pens. I made few to add them to my journals. So here you can see how these beads look in the pen. And here is another one. And right now I started to create maybe a bracelet. I will see how it will go. I do have here a fake suede, strip of fake suede. I did measure the leg big enough to go around what is this one, wrist, around my hand. I made a knot here on the end, and I'm trying to go through with those ends, and I'm using as a tool this is beading tool. Actually it does have opening here, but it's more for thread than for this suede. So I'm just folding the suede around this end and pushing it through one by one. I tried both, but it was unsuccessful. So I forgot to do a knot. Carefully. We are not there. So here I'm trying. Oh, come on. There you go. And I'm gonna make a knot between each of these beads. Like this. So I'm gonna continue until I do have all the ends long enough to tie it here, or enough to go around my hand, whatever will comes first. Here I do have a bracelet. I will ask my sons to tie it around my hand, but it looks like this, and I really like it. It's actually quite cool to have bracelet made from straw. So here what you can create with beads made from straw. First I was kind of like, oh, I'm gonna put it to trash, but then this idea came into my mind. Quite awesome, and because here and there that resin was leaking, so you can have even kind of like shaped beads. So that's my sharing for today. I hope you found some inspiration. If you did, I will appreciate if you share this video with your friends, to bring me new viewers, maybe to bring more support to this channel. Thank you so much for that. I wish you all a beautiful day. Take care of yourself, and I will come back soon. Bye.